What I'm going to do here today is take and flush the water heater on a Suburban RV water heater and replace the anode rod. The flushing procedure will be the same for a Dometic, however they don't use an anode rod since their water tank is made from aluminum. First we'll take and open up the cover here. Next we're going to take a 1 1/16 socket and remove the anode rod in the bottom. You will have on a Dometic a plastic plug. Next we'll take this little attachment and put it on a hose, and when we squeeze this we can stick it inside here and spray all around and watch the sediment come out. Okay, I have the water turned on. Okay, it's running pretty clean out of here, and as you can see up here on top here, there is a fair amount of sediment that came out. Next you're going to want to get some Teflon tape. They call it tape, but it's not sticky, and you're going to want to wind it in this direction on the threads. Go around about 4 times. The very front threads here we don't want to put anything on, so we're just going to continually wrap this around here in this direction about 4 times. And we'll just snap that off. Okay, next we're going to want to go and put this in here. Start it by hand, threading it in. Sometimes it's a little tricky because it's heavy on the back side. We'll go ahead and get her started here. And we'll take our socket and go and snug it up. We'll go ahead and replace our cover here. We're all done.